Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. And in this video, I'm going to be reviewing this Hummingbird MK1 Compact Trimmer. So I do want to thank Hummingbird for actually gifting this to me. And so with this compact trimmer, I'd say that this is probably one of the most portable trimmers that I've ever seen. And so one thing I really like about it is that with this trimmer, it actually has a 3-second unlock portion. So what I mean by that is that sometimes when I unlock my trimmer, or basically with other trimmers, it accidentally turns on within my travel bag. So let's say that for the entire duration of my 8-hour flight, the trimmer actually is accidentally pressed on. The battery will actually be dead by the time I actually arrive at my hotel. So with this compact, it actually has a feature where it prevents it from being accidentally pressed because it has to be pressed for 3 seconds in order to unlock. So I thought that was a really neat feature. It also has a carrying pouch. It's got a nice portable design. It's also got a digital display to kind of tell you how much battery life is left. It is rechargeable via USB-C, and I like how they give you a pretty lengthy USB-C. And of course, you've got different size trim heads here. So you have like the 6mm, I believe, longer one as well. And then you've got a brush to actually go ahead and remove any hairs and such. But overall, it's very lightweight. Can't wait to use it. I think this is going to be my go-to compact trimmer now. But overall, very pleased with it as well.